Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on IC markets. Right now we are having the Bitcoin chart to US dollar standing right here, and I will show you with this chart as an example how we can take profit on a position. So right now we go to new order and select right here the order type that you want to use. Now market execution is fine. Select right here the volume, so 0.10 Bitcoin is fine for me to create our position with. And then right now it's quite simple because now we just click here on take profit and now this green line will appear. Then what we need to do now is we can throw it to where we want, so just simply by doing this. Or what we can do is just fill in right there. If he will hit 100K, he will take the profit. So now if we click right here on buy by market, we just created our position right here. And at TP, that means take profit, he is saying that when he will hit 100K, he will take our profit. So this is exactly how you can take profit on IC markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.